Welcome back, dears. In chapter 1.4, we're gonna explain scientific notation. So scientific notation is the type of number that you write by having powers of 10 and decimal number. Usually we use this in huge big numbers or in biology department in the labs. So here, like for bacteria growth and to measure anything that's too small or too big, you want to magnify it. Okay, here we've got scientific notation. These are the standard numbers. I have to change it to scientific notation. To change any number to scientific notation, what do? You have to put decimal point between the first number and the second number. So you put a decimal point between them. So if I put a decimal point between them, I'll get 9.0, which is still 9. And then you say times 10 power. Okay, 9 times 10 power. You count how many numbers you have on the right side of the decimal point. We said we put a decimal point between the first number and second number, and then I count the right side, how many numbers I have, not how many zeros, how many numbers, how many digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 digits. That means 9 times 10 power 4. For the second one, I've got 7,015,000. I have to change this into scientific notation. I have to write it in scientific notation. Again, the first step, I put a decimal point between the first number and the second number, which I'm going to get 7.015. But Ms., why did you put those numbers down? Why didn't you write these? These were all zeros, but here we have 0, 1, 5, okay? So I must write it. Now I start counting, so times 10 power, always. I start counting how many numbers I have, or how many digits I have, on the right side of the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my power will be 10 power 6. Equals. The same thing here, I've got 1,000, 1,000, put the decimal point between the first and second number, 1 times 10 power. How many zeros I have, or how many numbers I have on the right side of the decimal point? 1, 2, 3. So 1 times 10 power 3. Those two other questions are the opposite of this one. So we have the scientific notation. We have to change it to what? To standard. In here, what do? I have multiplication times 10 power 5. So 5 steps, I go to the right side. Where's the decimal point here? Let's go. So I say between the numbers, digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many empty spaces left? 2. 3, 2, 1, 1, 0, 0. How much do we get? We get 321,100. Okay, dears? The other question, 7.7 times 10 power 3. Multiplication, I'm going to the right. How many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. How many empty spaces do we have? 2. 7, 7, 0, 0. 7,700. This is how we answer these type of questions that they include standard and scientific notation.